Happy New Year, everybody. Thanks to all the views, the likes, the subs from 2022. Here's to 2023. Hello, welcome back. This is CoinPig. I have another £500 worth of £2 coins. These were coins that came into the bank on the day that I collected them. They could have a coin dump in them. Who knows? Well, we won't know until we have a look, so let's get opening the bag. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And let's get on with it then. First bag. So we're looking for commemoratives, not these technologies, not unless they're special technologies. I'll let you know about those if and when I find them. And are we going to find anything in the first bag? Doesn't look like it, no. Alright, I'll speed things up and bring you back as and when I find something. Oh, there's something. There's a Charles Dickens. Very common coin. So that's our first find. Oh, there's another common coin. That's the end of World War II, outside St Paul's. Oh, there's another end of World War II. I think we'll start with that one because I think I know what that one's going to be. It looks like it's going to be a Shakespeare of some description. It is Shakespeare's Histories with a bit of toning of some description on it. Not one that we'll keep, as I say, it's a very common coin. There's the 2016, some gunk on the front there, but yeah, that's the 2016 First World War Army. It is a very common coin. Oh, and there's a abolition of the slave trade. Also a common coin. Oh, there's a Brunel. Brunel's a cheap. Did you see that one? I thought there was something behind. I saw those lines. I didn't know. I didn't quite catch it there. Okay, never mind. That's Brunel's Arches, Paddington Station. This one. Let's get rid of that one. I don't need that one. This one is the London Olympics. Or centenary of, I should say. 2008. Celebrating the 100th anniversary of the 1908 London Olympics. Which had a few controversies, should we say, back in the day. What we did, and that is our first above face value coin. Amazing. Oh, there's a Brunel the man, Brunel's portrait. Oh, bag's just fallen down. Oh, well, there's something. There's the abolition of the slave trade. We've already seen that one. Oh, and there's another new one for today. That's Marconi. wireless transmission, the centenary of. Oh, there's another abolition of the slave trade. Finally, there's a bit of a drought there and fines. There's end of World War II again. Oh, there's a Brunel's arches once more. Brunel's achievements. Oh, there's a new one. That's the gunpowder plot. Guy Fawkes, of course, and all that jazz. Of course, we're coming up to November the 5th very soon, as I'm recording this. Ooh, that's a very shiny, very lustrous Brunel. That might upgrade something in my book. I mean, it's got some damage, obviously, from circulation. But, yeah, the lustre on that one is quite impressive for a 2006 coin. Oh, there's another St. Paul's, end of World War II. Very shiny 2009 as well. There's a Charles Dickens. Shiny coin. Ooh, thought it was a shiny coin. There's a Britannia. Was that 2016? Yeah, 2016. Just above face value. Not going to be a massive coin, I don't think, but in the future, you never know with these sort of coins. Another Charles Dickens. Only the one serious coin above face value, but we're on the last bag. You never know, last bag luck and all that. Well, there we are, that's the luck. Brunel's portrait. Not really what we wanted, but oh, I can still, oh, I can see several. Never mind. This one is the Shakespeare's tragedies, of course, and there is a possibility. Well, no, there isn't. I thought there was a possibility it could have the wrong inscription. Apparently they happen on a few. I still haven't found one, but it says man on there, so it says what a piece of work is a man. That's the correct inscription, so no need to worry about that one. But that's another find. And then I think a couple of coins on, let me find something else as well. Yep, there's another Shakespeare. Shakespeare's Comedies from 2016 again. Very common coin to find now A while back we were struggling to find them down south, but anyway, very common one, not above face value anymore. Oh, and there's a 2010. Now 2010s, the technology is 2010s, there are some that are DDOs, that's doubled die obverse coins, and that means that they've had a doubling on the die itself. It doesn't mean that the coin was struck twice, it means that there was a problem with the actual die. I don't think that's it, unfortunately. You'd see doubling in Elizabeth on the IRB in particular, but yeah, that one looks like a standard 2010, unfortunately. And the last couple of coins then, and I think that's it. Yep, that is it. Right, well, I will go through all those again just to see if I've missed anything, and I'll get back to you with a wrap up if I do. But otherwise, I think really we only had a couple of coins above face value, and that is the main find, I think. The London Olympics centenary, and yeah, I think that one's definitely worth the hunt. Anything below $1 million is a good find, because there aren't that many coins that you can find with less than $1 million, more so perhaps with the £2 coins, but that one is a lovely one to find. We haven't found many of those in the last few years, and yeah, I think that's my highlight of the year, or of the hunt at least. Yeah, so that's my highlight of the hunt. Don't think there's anything that comes close to it. I'm going to have a look again at this one just to make sure that it's not an NISC or something like that. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll be back next time for more. If I do find something else, I'll let you know right at the end of this video. But thanks for tuning in, and keep collecting.